Okay, monitor teachers, I know you had some questions this morning, so I'm gonna clarify your duties and your stations in this video. Column A, we have your names, so that's hopefully I got everybody there. We have elective teachers, we got some gear up tutors and some teachers aides. If I left your name out, please come and see me. Want to make sure we're fair to everybody. Column B is your monitoring stations. So each monitoring station is given a letter, and some say restroom, so make sure we're going to have at least 2 or 3 people on each monitoring station that has a restroom. Now if you look at let me show you the first floor diagram. First floor, we have monitoring station A, B, C, and D in the 600 hall. Then on the 500 hall we have E and F, and in the 400 hall we have G. Now in the 300 hall we have monitor H by himself. It's only one classroom, but he also is watching the restrooms for the 200 hall. So the 200 hall we have monitoring station I, and then we have the library hall which have monitoring station J. That's the first floor. If you go to the second floor, the 700 hall comprises of monitor stations K, L, M, N, and O. Now the 800 hall comprises of the stations P, Q, and R. Now let's go back to our data table. So we have the monitoring stations located by name, by letters. Your lunchtime is on the column C, which is the yellow column. So you're gonna look at your column, your times. Not everybody goes at the same time, so we have a staggered lunch to make sure there's coverage at all stations, especially the restrooms. Okay. Now, column D is your blue column, which is your conference time. Everybody, only elective teachers are getting the conference time from 1:35 to 2:20. That way you don't lose a conference day or time on testing day. The core teachers were getting 2 conference times on Friday to make up for the conference time they lose on testing day. And your green is your coverage teachers will be relieving you from your station to take your conference time. Now, be conscious about your times. It's 1:35 to 2:20. Be at your station by 2:20 because the coverage teachers do need to go to cover other classes or they need to take their own conference. So let me give you an example. Coach Carrillo, okay, he's going to be in station H, which is the restroom. He's also going to have 2 gear up tutors helping him at different times. He will take his lunchtime at 11:10 to 11:50. When he takes his lunchtime, Ms. Medina will come for lunch, cover his lunch. So Ms. Medina will be covering monitoring station H at that time. Now, his conference time is at 1:35 to 2:20, which is all the elective teachers who are monitors. M. Hernandez will be covering his station H for Coach Carrillo to take his conference time. Now, Coach Carrillo will be back at least by 2:20 or a little before 2:20 to relieve M. Hernandez. So that teacher can go to a conference or go to another coverage area. So if you have any questions about your conference time, your lunch time, or coverage, come and see us in the morning at the PLC room and we can explain any other information you need or answer any other questions. Thank you for your time.